hubby and I out here at Lake Allatoona, and he is a drone enthusiast, and that's something that he's been doing for a while. So I'm out here enjoying the sun, and I'm gonna let him talk about his favorite hobby and his collections of drones and a little bit about it. So let me just get started.
Hey, all you Lady TZD fans. Yeah, my wife is.
What's her name again?
Lady TZD.
Go ahead.
So anyway, yeah, she made me get on this thing today. So anyway, yeah, she wanted me to talk about my drone. I do fly drones. I fly quadcopters, they call them. And right now, if you look right here in the sky, you'll see it. It's hovering right now.
Okay.
That is called a DJI. It's called a Mini. It is part of their suite of drones. It is very steady. It shoots very clear. I get 12 megapixel pictures. And also I get 4K, up to 4K recording. So again, it's a great hobby that I have. I enjoy. As you can see, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but it's GPS controlled. So it's running by satellites right now. So basically it's going to stay right there in that spot until I move it. So right now it's waiting on me to give it commands. So and what it shows, I see here on my screen. So I'm going to go ahead and take it up in the air a little bit and let you see the great view we have out here. Again, this is the view that the drone is giving us right now.
It's gone a little bit too far now, right? It's out there.
It's just right above us.
Oh, it is?
If you look at my screen here, get all this stuff out the way here. That's the view I'm getting right now. You guys can see it. It's kind of difficult to see the glare. But you can see the whole lake. It has an incredible range to be able to see the shots there.
I don't know if you see the shots.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of reflection going on. But again, it's a very steady copter. It has auto home return. So if I lose connection, it'll come back to me automatically as well too. But I'm a big DJI fan as well too. And like I mentioned before, it's just a great hobby that I really enjoy.
All right.
Yep.
How many drones do you have? How many have you had?
Have I had? Oh, she's picking at me because
No, I ain't gonna mess with you.
before the technology of self-returning home, I dabbled into drones and many flew away and never to be seen again. So I probably had about 10, maybe 10 drones. We won't talk about the cost. We're not going to talk about the cost. But
that's the next question. How many have we lost?
But right now, we still got this one here,
money-wise.
plus 2 or 3 more that I have at the house. But by far, this is the one that I love the most, and I'm about to bring it back in for you.
Okay.
Let me do this here so you can.
Bringing it back. I'm gonna turn around, see if I can catch it coming in. Well, I see. Oh, there it is. It's coming in slowly. Yes. Woo!
It fits in the side. It fits in the palm of your hand. So let me show you if it'll land it.
Expensive hobby, you guys. All right. Woohoo! And that's a closer look at it. It fits in the palm of his hand. And it is really, really cool, you guys. And some of the videos that it picks up is just amazing. The beautiful footage that it can retrieve. So
yeah, it takes photos in 12 megapixel photos, and it takes up to 4K in video.
And so what does this thing right here does in your hand? What is that all about?
Well, of course, this is the remote controller, right? So this controls the aircraft.
Okay.
It lets you have the control of the aircraft to fly it up, down, left, right, you know, all those different things. So, you know, you really can be done as a hobbyist. You don't have to be a professional. But if you want to be a professional, then of course you can get your license for that, and you can be you can make money as well, because of course a lot of companies such as real estate companies and other items, other people that want to have footage, you know, from area footage, you know, they'll actually pay you for that kind of stuff as well.
All right, so there you have it, you guys. We're gonna jump out. We're gonna jump off, you guys, and go ahead on and take on in pretty soon. We're losing light right now, but I always enjoy coming out and watching him fly his drone, and so many other ones that he has. And we'll be doing more videos like this in the summertime, spring, as the weather gets better. Can't really fly when it's kind of like windy outside. It's a little windy out here as well. Of course, off the water here at the lake, it gets a little windy, so it's kind of hard to fly it. But just want to give you a quick view of everything. We're gonna jump off. Bye, Doug.
Bye.
And I'll talk to you guys in another video.
Take care.
Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Let me know if y'all like these type of videos, just being out and about, trying to get some air out, you know, just get some air and some vitamin D on our face. Please like all my old subscribers. Thank you guys for watching and holding me down. Of course, y'all know I love that and I appreciate it. All y'all new subscribers, thank you guys for coming in and subscribing. Peace. Bye-bye.